talking about alternate tuning still. We're talking about a open D tuning, right? So what does that mean? That means what we're trying to do is make the guitar sound like one chord. You know, right now if I play the guitar, there's no chord to that, right? So what I'm gonna do is tune it to a D chord, and there's a specific way to do that. You're gonna go ahead and drop your 6th string down to D. So I already have a D, the 4th string, to drop down my 6th string to the D. And then I'm also gonna get my 1st string, which is E right now, down to D as well. So I'm gonna use the same method. I'm gonna use that 4th string D. Now we get a little trickier. We're gonna use, we need the 2nd string to be A. So I'm gonna use the 5th string, which is already A, in order to tune down my 2nd string to match that note. And then there's one more step. This one's a little trickier because there's no string that matches this. We need to try and get this 3rd string to be F sharp. So the way I do it is I'm gonna go to the 4th string, right? I haven't moved that, and I'm gonna go to the note F sharp. That happens to be here on the 4th fret. And I match that. And now I'm in my D tuning, open D tuning, right? So I don't have to even touch the guitar to play D. So a lot of blues guys might use this to play slide guitar, right? Or some folks who finger pick a little bit, they could get some interesting sounds from playing like that. And then, to play other chords, I can just play one finger, right? And that's how you make an open D tuning.